Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a stable grip. Place one chopstick stationary between your thumb and ring finger and hold the top stick like a pen with your thumb, index, and middle finger. This is how you create a pivot. It lets you open and close the tips precisely. Once done, align the tips so they meet cleanly and keep the bowl close to minimize reaching, because less movement equals better control over slippery noodles. Now you practice the middle steps. Approach a small bundle, slide the tips underneath and close them to clamp the strands. Lift the noodles slightly above the broth so excess liquid drains back into the bowl. This reduces slips and prevents splashing. Then, make a gentle quarter turn or 90-degree twist while maintaining grip. This gathers strands into a compact bundle, which is why you won't lose half your portion when you bring it to your mouth. Finally, you bring the gathered noodles to your mouth with a steady hand. Take short draws or a quick controlled slurp for long strands so they don't swing. When finished, rest the chopsticks on the bowl rim or a holder to keep tips sanitary. If noodles begin to slip, stop, lower them back into the bowl and add a bit of broth or sauce to increase friction, or adjust your grip slightly firmer. This simple fix usually solves slipping immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.